Hey guys, and welcome back to Ethan Draws. In this video I will be teaching you how to make a maze on Scratch. So this is Scratch. First of all, you will need to create an account to save the maze you're going to make. And I haven't been on it offline. I actually don't think you can create any games without an account. Or probably you can. I don't know, but it's best to create an account. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to get a photo of a maze, such as a pretty good one, like not too big, not too small. I'll show you in a minute. You can just skip to a place. So first of all, you just create this button. Yep, and then you'll see it'll come up with this cat. If you want to use this cat as your character, you can choose it, but it looks a bit weird for me, so I'm just going to delete it and add another one. And then I'm just going to search probably a dinosaur. I'd recommend you to get a square one, not like this bear. It's too long. This bat would be alright, but coronavirus. Okay, so I like dinosaurs, and I saw that this dinosaur would be pretty perfect, actually. Okay, right now I'm just gonna. So then you will have to press this, and then this thing to get your maze onto the screen. So right now I've got my background. It's this thing. See, like the lines are not too big, but you'll realize that the sprite is too big. So let me just delete this backdrop first. So all you need to do is, you see this size thingy over here. I think I'll make it 15. Let's see if it's. Oh yes, that's perfect. It's perfect. What a coincidence. So you position it at the start. Oh, and then you press on your backdrops. You'll need to create a line. Let's see, 5. And then you'll have to seal this thing up. Seal this bit up so you can't just go outside and then just go outside and cheat, basically. You'll press on your your sprite, or whatever you want it to be, and then you'll see, so you add this. When this clicked, you'll just set size to 15%. Actually, we don't need this because it's already 15%, but if you want to make it bigger at the end, let's do it, and then switch backdrop to this. I'm just going to name this backdrop. So I'll name it Big Maze, basically. And then I'll go to code, and then where's the, oh yes, dinosaur. Switch backdrop to maze, and then we'll just put it there. And then what we will need is when space key pressed 4 times. And then, so this is what you want. You can do WASD like those gamers, or also up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, and left arrow. I'll do it. I think I'll do up, down, right, left, because for those of you who don't know WASD, it'll be easier for you. Okay, so once you've gotten these, you'll order them in a line. And then, oh yes, I still haven't done this. You'll go to looks, and then motion, and then go to X this place. When the flag is start, so you'll go over here, set size to 15%, and switch backdrop to maze. And then there's this if then no. So then what we will need to do is move 10 steps. I don't really like it because you can't go up or down. So I'll just get change X. I'm just going to get this bit and then duplicate it. So this will be for, and then this will be for left and right. Sorry, I keep on moving this right. Okay, so this will be for left, and this will be for right. Okay, and then I guess, where's Y? Change Y by something 2 times as well. Oopsies. So like that, and then you hold it, and then you duplicate it. Oh, so right now I'm using an iPad, so yeah, you'll need a keyboard for it. My iPad has a keyboard. You'll need so you'll put those 2 underneath, and then you'll put an if-then button thingy. I'll change X by 5, let's see how good it is. Yeah, that's alright. -5 because if it touches a wall, so let's go to sensing, touching color. I'll teach you how it's done, and then you just press this thing, and then you can go into this and then select the color of your wall, so that it'll be exactly that color. Okay, so like if it's touching that thing, then I'll go back. So you don't want it to go through the wall. So when up arrow is pressed, why am I? What? Wait. This is right arrow actually. Right arrow pressed. Change X by 5. X is like going horizontally, and Y is going upwards or downwards. So like you'll want to change. So like over here, I guess. Let's see if it works or not. I'm pressing the right arrow a lot of times, and then you'll see when it gets to the wall, it doesn't move because you go 5 spaces towards X, but then you'll also go -5, so it just doesn't move. So that's good, and then we'll do the same thing. Just gonna left arrow, right arrow, down arrow, and then if then put it on there. Oh no, oopsies. Here, and then it's gonna be a long thing. Okay, and then I'll put this over here, and then put this over here. We'll also need one of these, touching mouse, touching color, put them in the F. I might be going too fast, so I'll just slow down. So touching color F. I remember it was brightness 0, saturation 0, and color 0. So that's good. No, but you can also do this, hold it and duplicate it. But color 0, saturation 0, brightness 0. Or I could just do brightness 0. But it's alright. Okay, so let me try. So up arrow. Wait, why is it going through? Oh yes. I still haven't done it yet. So up arrow, change Y by 5. Change Y by -5. Touching color that. Down arrow, -5 because you want to go down. Let's see if it works. Oh no. It's stuck on there. I'll just move the sprite. Never mind, let's just do this first. Change X, left arrow, -5. And this will be 5, and then yeah. And I guess that let's try it. Oopsies. Okay, that's good. So then what we will need next is another thing for the end, like right over here. So because Triceratops are herbivores, I'll add a bush if there is one. Nope, there isn't. Then leaf. Nope. Tree? It's too high up for them to reach though. Why? 30, I guess. No, that's still too big. 20. You can also add your other things, such as if you chose the big T-Rex or whatever it is, then you can also add a poor little sheep or pig or anything for it to eat. So, yeah. But if you're doing a human, then you can also add a, wait, what? Wait, what? What's happening over here? Oh no, it's alright. Okay, so, yeah. Okay, then if touching color, then what we will need next is another if then under each of them. If then, okay. Okay, so if touching color, let's see. No, not if touching this thing, because we will need to, we will need to touch tree 1. That'll be easier. I'm putting it, touching tree 1. If touching tree 1, why is it called tree 1? I don't know why. If touching, why is it so big now? If touching tree 1. Okay, then, what is wrong with it? Oh, I still haven't done this thing yet. 5, I guess. That's better. If touching tree 1, then we will need another background, because I'll just paint it. So, good job. Good job! Exclamation mark. You completed the maze! Another exclamation mark. I'll just put it in the middle, and then, what should I name it? Good job, basically. Go to code, and then if touching tree 1, then I think we'll just broadcast the message 1. And then we'll say what message 1 is. Message 1. So, like, when I receive message 1, then hide, I guess. Where is hide? You go into looks and then hide, so that it won't show anymore. And then for the tree event, when I receive message 1, then hide as well. Where is hide? Here. And then I don't know. So that's basically how you do a maze. I'm just going to be neat and put them in order. So there the code is. If you want to take a screenshot or something, you can also put it somewhere like here, and then go to motion, and then it just, wherever you go, wherever you pull the sprite, then the X will change. See over here? Then I'll just put it here. Probably not hide. Go to X. You can also make it larger. Change size. Set size to 100%. I know. And the tree, I'll just hide it. Let's see. I'm just going to cheat. Haha. Oh, be sure to do this, because like if you don't like switch backdrop to maze, then it'll be good job for the whole time, which will be weird. Oh, that's it. Looks. Switch backdrop to good job. Where is the tree? When this thing clicked, then show. Where is show? Yes, show, like that. And then I'm just gonna cheat and go here. And then, good job, you completed the maze. Why is the dinosaur so big? Okay, fine. Probably that one is not the best option. So I'll just, other than the rubbish bin. So here's the full message if you want the dinosaur on top, like a large thingy. Okay, and the tree is hiding. So then, let's just try out the maze. Yes, it works. You can skip this part and go to create your own maze now. While I just play this game, which I just created. Oh, and you can also change Y by, and for these things, you can also change Y by more or less, depending on how big how big the slots of your maze are, the gaps of your maze are. And then I guess see you soon. And okay, I'm just gonna finish this maze. I'm nearly there. There, and then I'm nearly there, and then finished. Good job, you completed the maze. Oh look, Triceratops is still going. Okay, bye.